Hello and welcome to Music Lessons with Tony Valley. Today we're going to be starting a new song, Babe, I'm Gonna Leave You, from Led Zeppelin. In today's lesson, we're going to start the intro in Babe, I'm Gonna Leave You. I'm going to play it through, and then I'm going to get into the chords and show you the chord forms for the intro. All right, that's the intro right there for you. I'm going to start off by showing you the chords that we're going to be playing in this intro. First chord is just a regular A minor in the first position. All right. Now the next chord is going to be an A minor 7 with a G in the bass. What you're going to do is you're going to keep your first and second finger on there, but you're going to remove your third, and you're going to put that third finger over on the 6th string 3rd fret. In the first section of the A minor 7 with the G in the bass, you're going to add your pinky in. Okay. You're going to put the pinky right on the 3rd fret 2nd string. So that chord's going to sound like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to release it. All right, so you're actually playing those notes right there. So it's an A minor 7 with the G in the bass, but you're adding that D note in there, which is hitting with the pinky on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Okay, so you're going to go. All right. The next chord is a D with an F sharp in the bass, and you're going to keep that first finger on there, but now you're going to move your second finger over to the 2nd fret 6th string. Then you're going to put your third finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string. All right? And you're going to play those 3 notes right there. But before you do, put that pinky back to where we had it on the 3rd fret 2nd string. You're going to hit that first. Then release it. When you release it, it becomes a D7 with an F sharp in the bass. I know there's a lot of different chords in there, but I'd like to show you these forms so you can make sure you know what you're playing. Again, the D with the F sharp in the bass, and that's with that pinky on that 2nd string 3rd fret. Then by releasing it, it becomes a D7 with an F sharp in the bass. Then the next chord is a regular F major bar chord. But I'd like you to play the full major bar chord in the first position right there. And then we're going to go to the E major chord. All right. So those chords again, A minor 7 with the G in the bass. The first one's with the added pinky right there. Then release. Then we're going to hit the D with the F sharp in the bass. And that's going to be with that pinky on that 3rd fret 2nd string. Then D7 with the F sharp without that pinky. Then that regular F major, then E major. In the first part of the intro, again, we're playing the A minor chord, and what you're going to do is you're going to place your thumb. Your thumb is going to be striking between the 6th, 5th, and 4th string, and your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers are going to be striking basically the 3rd string, 2nd, and 1st string. Okay, it'll switch it up a little bit, but just pay close attention to that because this makes a big world of a difference when you're playing it. Let me do that first part for you. That's the first measure right there. Put the A minor chord down, and you're going to strike the 5th, 4th, 3rd, 1st. Okay? And then you're going to strike your 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Just hold that chord now for the whole first measure right there, okay? So once again, the first measure. Right? Second measure is an A minor 7 with that G in the bass, but it's the first one, the first part of the chord, first part of the measure that you're going to be using your 4th finger on there. Okay? You're going to place that 4th finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. And this one you're going to go 6th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd string. All right? Then you're going to do it again, but release that pinky so you're striking the 1st fret 2nd string. So second measure. All right, let's take it slow from the first into the second measure. All right? Now our third measure, you're going to be playing that D with the F sharp in the bass with that pinky on that second string, third fret. And this one you're going to strike the sixth string, fourth, third, second, then release that pinky. Then you're going to strike again the sixth, fourth, third, second. And again, you're using your thumb to strike the sixth and fifth and fourth string. And sometimes you're going to be actually in this part, you're striking your fourth string with your first finger. All right, so let's do that again, measure 3. All right, now we're going to go into measure 4, and that's the F major. And you're going to play the full bar chord. And what you're going to do is you're going to go 6th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. All right. Now we're going to go into the E chord. Then you're going to hit your 6th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. And in this case, you're hitting that first finger. You're hitting the fourth string with the first finger there. All right. Now again, let's take measure 3 again, and then go into measure 4. All right. Now in measure 5, you're going to do the repeat of the A minor, okay? But this time you're going to add the pinky onto the first string, third fret, okay? So this one's going to be like this. All right. And that one you're going to strike the 5th, 4th, 3rd, 1st string. And again, that pinky is is actually being pressed down on the first string, 3rd fret. And then what you're going to do is you're going to release it for the second part of measure 5. You're going to play your 5th, 4th, 3rd, 1st. Let's do measure 5 again. All right. Now next chord again, we're going to be playing the A minor 7 with the G in the bass. All right, but now you're going to keep that pinky on that first string, 3rd fret. It changes a little bit throughout this. Now you're going to strike your 6th string, 4th, 3rd, and 1st string on the first part of that measure right there, okay, with the A minor 7 with the G in the bass, okay, and that right there is measure 6. So let's do that again, the first part of measure 6. Then what you're going to do is release that pinky and hit the same strings. That's hitting the 6th, 4th, 3rd, and 1st. So measure 6 again. Now measure 7, you're going to go into that D with the F sharp in the bass right there. And that's with that pinky. All right, you're going to place that pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And this is a measure you're going to actually play it and then release it. All right. So here we go. We're going to go into measure, let me see, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. And that's that D with the F sharp into the D7 with the F sharp. And the only thing that's changing right there is that pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Let's do that again. Then back to our F major, 6th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. And then our E chord, 6th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd open. So let's play through again real slow. All right, let's play through fast, a little faster. All right, there's your intro, and the next part is going to be the vocal part, and we'll work on that the next time. If you have any questions about this lesson, please feel free to email me at tonyvalley@tonyvalley.com. We'll see you next time, and have a good one.